DMK has staged a massive protest against the centre as it continues to allege stepmotherly treatment in the Union Budget 2024. Huge posters were put up across Tamil Nadu with pictures of the Chief Minister, M.K. Stalin. The message on the posters reads that Tamil Nadu has paid nearly 1,30,000 crore rupees in GST, but it has reportedly received 0 rupees in return as funds from the centre.
Right now we are in Chennai's near the collector office where the DMK is conducting the protest. You can see thousands and thousands of DMK cadre who have gathered here, and like it was announced earlier by the party's high command, this is a protest that is the demonstration is against the union government and is basically for ignoring the state of Tamil Nadu in the union budget that was filed recently. And like you can see, this is a statewide protest. It is happening all over Tamil Nadu in different district headquarters. And right now in Chennai, DMK MP Dayanidhi Maran and Kalanidhi Veeraswamy from the Lok Sabha and DMK MP Wilson from Rajya Sabha are leading this protest. And in every other district also, the parliamentarians are the ones who are leading the protest. They have been raising slogans against this union budget. They are also speaking about how this is an act of revenge that has been done by the union government, and they say that this is purely because the people of Tamil Nadu did not vote for the BJP during the recent Lok Sabha polls, and also they are questioning about the kind of tax, the amount of money that the DMK is paying the union government every year with regards to the GST, but why nothing is coming back. And they are also speaking about how no funds were allocated for the Metro Rail project that is currently ongoing, and for the funds for the AIIMS project in Tamil Nadu, and also about the relief funds for the recent natural disasters that happened in Tamil Nadu with regards to last year's monsoon. And that is the scenario here, because this is happening in all district headquarters, and the DMK cadred youth wing, particularly the youth wing, student wing and the sports wing, all of these people are the ones who are coming together and arranging these protests in all the district headquarters. We are having a lot of important DMK leaders in the fray also today in Chennai.